हैदराबाद में तो ये 4 से 5 लोग खाते हैं, but Delhi, Bombay में easily 8 people can eat because it has 8 pieces of chicken.
Hyderabad people eat more than Delhi and Bombay. Bombay people, I'm sure Delhi hai. Come on.
नहीं, Hyderabad nobody can compete. You know, they have like good appetite.
We have come to a Hyderabad legend, and remember, there is only one branch that this legend has, and that is at the RTC Crossroads. And that brand, in case you haven't guessed already, is Bawarchi. Now the story begins before 1994 when Mr. Jafar Mansoori, he was in the clothing business with a brand called Mischief that Sunil Shetty was a part of also. And all of Bollywood used to buy their clothes from Mischief. But over here he wanted to do something different, so he came to Hyderabad where he had some relatives and started a biryani business that has just grown day upon day since then to become a legend today in Hyderabad. And that brand has a brand new showroom over here called Bawarchi. The other one that you see across the road, I mean the middle of the road, I can go whichever way I like, is an old space made in 1994, but the kitchen over there is absolutely incredible. So let's go down to the kitchen first. We'll try and find Salman, who's somewhere in there, to tell us more about it and show you the kitchen, and then we'll come back and talk about food and eating in the new place. But let's go find the kitchen first. The action in the biryani kitchen never stops. There's madness going on. This is the original kitchen from 1994. This is the washing area. That's where the biryani is cooked. This is where the utensils are. And we're looking for Salman, who's generation 2 of the Bawarchi biryani brand. Time in biryani stop for no man. Get out of the way because the action is already started. Hi, Salman. How are you?
Hi, Rocky. I'm good. How are you? Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you. What a beautiful kitchen.
Perfect timing.
Am I in time? Lovely.
Yeah, on time.
Wow. So the rice has been boiled over here
Yes.
now. And you've got the masala
The masala is ready.
Lovely.
Yeah, mutton biryani and chicken biryani is being cooked right now.
So this is the chicken masala.
Yeah.
This is all your spices and your chicken that has been cooked partially.
Yes.
And now the
So
rice will go into
this is the marination. All the masala is over here. Now he's going to bring out the rice and put the rice over here.
Superb.
So this is done, the cooking of the rice is done in like 3 layers because this is the kachi gosht biryani which you say.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So raw ingredients put together and then
Yeah.
cooked.
And the rices are like cooked in layers. Like you see, he checks the rice, how well it is cooked. And then he starts pulling the rice in like 3 times.
Three
3
batches.
different times. Yeah, 3 batches. He does 3 batches.
Now how much rice does this container actually take? It's huge. Look at the size of this.
This cooker takes 50 kgs of rice.
50.
Yeah, 50 kgs.
Fantastic. So that's 50 kilos of rice over here. And how much are we going to put in the masala?
So each handi takes 8 kgs of
Aap
rice.
daliye na, aap daliye. So Shabir bhai is off, and this is how the rice is put in now. This is the first installment. It will be 3 different installments. The rice will be at 3 different levels of readiness. Ah, beautiful. Look at that. Mastery. क्या बात है शबीर भैया, बिल्कुल फर्स्ट क्लास स्प्रेड मारा एकदम हाँ.
So like we do batches of handis.
Right.
Yeah.
So
like
now this is of course the first lot that's going to go
Yeah.
into each.
each one it has to go so that the proportion stays constant.
So why do we do it in 3 separate installments? Why not at one time?
Yeah, because the handi when it's on the gas, the lower level gets cooked faster.
Right.
Then the medium level gets cooked, and then the top layer gets
So
cooked.
the lower level has to be the most raw rice.
Yes.
Get out of
and
the way.
Meanwhile,
Nothing
it goes-
stops
Yeah.
in the kitchen at Bawarchi because the action is non-stop. So here's what I've understood. Salman, tell me if I'm right or wrong. The rice has to be at 3 different levels. The least cooked over here, medium cooked over here, the maximum cooked over here.
Yes.
Can I try my hand and see if I can spin it or will I spoil
Sure,
it?
sure. You can.
Shabir भैया,
Sameer,
मैं try करूँ एक
जरा
बार डाल
रॉकी
देगा?
को एक बार दियो.
मेरे को डाल सकूँगा मैं? Here goes the rice and here's how we spread it. Whoa!
Oh man, you're doing great.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's good.
शबीर भैया पास हो गया? पास हो गया, lovely! This lot of Bawarchi biryani is going to be the best ever because I did it.
100%.
And now the handi is ready, it's brought over here. There's a lot of excitement. Things move fast. It's put down. The cover is removed and look at that beautiful steam rising. Oh my God. And there's a bunch of ghee that goes over it. And the aroma is to die for.
निकालो भाई हमारे रॉकी भाई के लिए बिरयानी.
So the biryani is finally ready. It's out over here. This is how it's done. It's moved around so you can get the meat at the bottom. The meat is going to be placed first in this handi. This is, you call
This is a chicken jumbo which he's going to remove now.
Chicken
So it has
jumbo.
8 pieces of chicken.
Lovely.
हैदराबाद में तो ये 4 से 5 लोग खाते हैं, but Delhi, Bombay में easily 8 people can eat because it has 8 pieces of chicken.
Hyderabad people eat more than Delhi and Bombay. Bombay people, I'm sure Delhi hai. Come on.
No. Hyderabad, nobody can compete. You know, they have like good appetite.
So the meat goes on first because this is where all the flavor and all the richness and all the masala is. And then of course the rice is going to come on top because people in Hyderabad prefer to eat a lot more. Oh my God, that is beautiful, yeah. बाप रे बाप. ये तो मेरे लिए काफी, आपके लिए क्या है कुछ? आपके लिए नहीं बनवा ना?
Now let's both of us try to finish this.
I am ready to die for the cause. It is 6 o'clock in the evening and look at the rush over here. It is absolutely packed. There are lines over there. There are lines almost starting over here. The place is full. And the reason for it is this beautiful biryani. Salman, is this the batch that I made? Because it looks really good.
Yeah, it's that much.
The taste is simple. It's elegant. The flavors are brilliant. The spice is high. The rice is perfectly done. Every grain evenly cooked. You saw in the kitchen how that's done. The masala is perfectly blended. The chicken is soft and tender. Look at that. It just comes apart from the bone. And if you really want to increase the spice quotient, you dip it in this beautiful mirchi ka salan and you have a bite. And you're in heaven. What is Hyderabad like more? Chicken or mutton?
Chicken over here.
Really easy to eat. It's almost light, airy, effervescent. My favorite biryani is in Hyderabad, and this one is completely incredible. So my two favorite biryanis are now Hyderabad, and I'm going to be back to eat a lot more of this as soon as we finish eating. Acha, what happened to that 8-man challenge we were doing, that big bartan and all?
Which one?
The big
After this.
handi. I like that never say die spirit.
This is the chicken 65, which is another very famous item in Hyderabad. So like you have the green chili, the flavor is very good, you know, like people enjoy it with their biryani.
Wow.
It makes it a very good combination.
It is a potent punch of flavor. You bite the chicken 65, it has everything that you get in this region. And this is a meal to die for. So if you get a chance, come down to Bawarchi. This is the only branch they have. Remember that. You're really going to enjoy it. And at which crossroads?
RTC Crossroads.
RTC Crossroads. He calls it X Road. So remember both of them. Salman, thank you so much.
Thank you, Rocky.
This is fantastic. It's been an honor being here and to see that beautiful kitchen.
Thank you.
Bawarchi, remember it. And green chili, eat a lot of it. It's good for you. Don't listen to what your parents say.